In this video, let's learn how to do fund transfer on the Sharekhan app using the Cheque, NEFT and RTGS process. So once you log in, simply click on the hamburger menu as shown in the video. Click on Transfer Funds and then Add Funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Click on Buy NetBanking if you want to proceed using the NetBanking method. Do make sure that your bank account details are mapped with your Sharekhan demat and trading account. If your bank account isn't supported by Sharekhan, then click on Tap here to choose NEFT RTGS fund transfer. As the NEFT RTGS process suggests, you can transfer funds from a NetBanking interface by selecting Fund Transfer to Other Bank using RTGS NEFT and complete the transfer. Also, a general reminder, don't forget to add Sharekhan as a payee in your NetBanking. In case you need pay details for Sharekhan, visit the account section on the Sharekhan website. Post the amount transfer, you will see the account balance in the equity balances. In an unfortunate situation, if the amount isn't credited within 1 hour, you can email at myaccount@sharekhan.com with the necessary details and the team will look into it. Alternatively, you can also send a check to the nearest Sharekhan branch in order to complete your fund transfer process. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.